Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Avowed game not launching, not opening, crashing, lagging, freezing, black screen or stuck on loading screen error on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button, then select power button, then select restart PS5. After restarting PS5, launch the game and check. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold on power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, now tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Settings and click on network, then click on settings and click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, launch the game and check. If not, next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select Avowed game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data in game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Now select console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software. Click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default setting. At last, select restore option. Next is to reinstall Avowed game. So for that, highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Avowed game to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already given in the description. Just tell the issue you are coming across to the support team and they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.